Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've already built a basic RAG and even a corrective RAG, but today we are going a step further to make our AI even more precise. Imagine ensuring that only the absolute best, most relevant information is used to answer your questions. That's the power of re-ranking in RAG. Re-ranking acts like a smart filter. After the initial retrieval fetches a set of documents, it intelligently sorts them to prioritize the highest quality, most relevant content before it reaches the language model. This optimizes relevance, uses advanced algorithms for sorting, and deeply considers the user's intent, resulting in a significant boost in accuracy and response quality. To get started, we install our Python libraries including LangChain, Groq for the LLM, ChromaDB for our vector store, and a new library called FlashRank to handle the re-ranking process. Then import the necessary modules. Next, we set up our API keys for Groq and Hugging Face, load data using LangChain's web-based loader from the Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence, and split it into manageable chunks with the recursive character text splitter before creating our initial searchable vector store using ChromaDB. The magic happens in the re-ranking RAG function, where we use the FlashRank rerank compressor to create a contextual compression retriever. Here, the base retriever fetches documents from the vector store. Then the FlashRank reranker analyzes and reorders them based on their relevance to the query, ensuring that only the top-ranked, contextually appropriate information is sent to the LLM for the final answer. To see the difference, we run a demonstration query like explain the concept of machine learning and its relationship to AI. A standard similarity search gives decent results, but after passing through the re-ranking pipeline, the most relevant passages appear at the top, providing the AI with a cleaner, more focused context. Running the full pipeline on additional queries such as AI applications in healthcare or ethical considerations shows consistent improvements. Precise, high-quality answers every time. By adding this simple yet powerful step, you can dramatically enhance your RAG system and ensure it delivers top-tier, relevant responses. All the code is available on my GitHub, link in the description, so you can try it yourself. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more advanced AI tutorials. Don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub, and thanks for watching.